Good morning, 8th class. Today we are doing page number 97, response. It is the reaction of an organism to a stimuli for perceiving a stimuli and providing response. Nervous system requires receptors and effectors. मतलब stimuli, that is response, reaction of to the stimuli, and receptors are cells, tissues and organs which are capable of receiving particular stimuli and initiate impulse picked up by sensory nerve. Impulse, that is a self-propagated, means it moves itself. Electric current that runs along the surface of nerve fibers for passage of information. And effectors, these are the muscles, glands, tissues or cells which act in response to the message received from the nervous system. Different types of receptors are photoreceptors, gustatoreceptors, thermoreceptors, olfactoreceptors, phonoreceptors, statoreceptors, tangoreceptors, pain and pressure receptors. Each one located in different area. Detect light and form images, that is photoreceptor. Example is eyes. Gustatoreceptor detect taste which are present on that is taste buds on tongue and other parts of buccal cavity, mouth cavity. Thermoreceptors which detect heat and cold. Example is skin. Olfactoreceptors related to smell, detect smell in the olfactory epithelium in nasal cavity. Phonoreceptors which detect sound. Example is inner ear. Statoreceptors which detect change in equilibrium. These are present in inner ear. Tangoreceptors, tactile or touch response. These are present in skin. And pain and pressure receptors located in skin and deeper tissues. Then comes reflex arc, very important. The route for coordination of response is fixed. It starts with receptors, goes through sensory nerve, central nervous system, motor nerve and then the effector organ. This is route. Okay? You can see here reflex arc in stimulus response mechanism. We use this diagram also sometime to understand. Good one. Stimulus received by receptors in the skin or organ through sensory nerve, it will reach brain or spinal cord. From brain it will be transferred to through motor nerve to the effector organ, that will be a muscle or gland and will show the response. Now the pathway of stimulus forms an arc which travels from receptor organs to effector organ, that is known as reflex arc. This is reflex arc. If definition comes, then also you can explain with the help of this paragraph. Now types of reflex arc, these are of two types, important. First is somatic reflex, second is visceral reflex. Somatic reflex which involves effector organs located in the body structure, that is the skeletal muscles in hand, in legs. Okay? These are skeletal muscles. Then visceral reflexes are involving it involves effectors which are located in visceral organs. Visceral organs like glands or smooth muscles in and around your stomach, in the abdominal region, those all visceral organs. Now somatic reflex arc and visceral reflex arc differences they have given. It involves receptor organs like skin, it involves receptor organs like intestine. It involves effector organs like skeletal muscles. It involves effector organs like glands or smooth muscles which help to move the food further.